Find a comfortable place near the lake so that you can listen to the sound of the lake, the wind, the bird. And then we're gonna do some stretching. Breathe in through your tummy, tucking your tummy, breathe in. And then when you breathe out, you can through your nose or through your mouth. One more time. Look in front of you, breathe in. You can go breathe out. Ha! Yeah. Pour out all the pressure from your stress, or from your chest and from your stress. Breathe in. Breathe out. Ha! Okay. Stretching. Breathe in, breathe out. One hand